Hi, I'm back. Welcome to Lesson 3, Physiology 1. In this video clip, we start with the basic structures of the brain as an introduction.
Human beings learn all the time. We're exposed to new information every second of our lives.
Everything that we see, that we hear, smell, touch or taste, our brain evaluates and then selects what information will be stored and memorized, rejecting the remainder. The ability to select information is very important. It may take far too long to recall any specific memory. Sometimes we are not able to recall a specific memory when we want to remember it, because we have simply forgotten that stored information.
We remember memories in different ways. Some memories are actions, skills, or habits that we've learned by repetition, like riding a bike or playing an instrument. Others are everything we've experienced or learned from childhood onwards.
Scientists do not know where this immense database of memories is located, but it seems that every tiny part of a memory is located in its own place. When you remember something, your brain has to construct pieces of the memory from different clues. When you try to remember a person's name, parts of that memory, like the person's face, the color of their hair, and the sound of their voice, are stored in different places in the brain. They're all associated with each other, and you can recall the information from remembering just one of these parts.
Our brain also stores a magnitude of images we accumulate every day, like the writing we read in books or on billboards, to pictures, photographs, film, television, and video. How does the mind do this?
The brain is made up of billions of brain cells called neurons that control and coordinate our bodily functions. This is the neuron. It carries an electrical message or impulse when it is stimulated. Information in the form of nerve impulses travel to and from your brain along your spinal cord. This allows your brain to monitor and regulate unconscious body processes, such as digestion and breathing, and to coordinate most voluntary movements of your body. It is also the site of your consciousness, allowing you to think, learn, and create. The neuron has three main parts. The soma is the cell body. The dendrites, which look like tentacles, receive information from other neurons. The axon, the long extension of the neuron, sends messages to other neurons. The connection of neurons in all the different parts of your brain is what makes your brain work. Neurons communicate with each other thousands of times per second. Within a fraction of a second, the brain decides how to do an action. For example, when you play a sport, your brain will recall the required information. It will take in the new information, and before taking action, it will evaluate all the available information. What happens as a result of your action is again evaluated and memorized for later use. The ability to continually evaluate information is a key feature of the human mind. If you know how to use it, you will utilize your full cognitive ability.
I hope this opened your mind to how your brain works. In the next lesson, we will discuss this in practice.